Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Kiki, also known as Reminisce Naturals, and in today's video I'm going to be finally reviewing the Shea Moisture Manuka honey and yogurt with mafaru and baobab oil. It's a hydrate and repair protein powder treatment. I've been wanting to use this for the longest but never got a chance to, and since I'm high porosity and my hair loves protein, we're gonna give this a shot, so not too much talking. Oh shoot. Oh. It has like a faint smell. It's like kind of perfumey, but it's really faint, so it shouldn't be bothersome. So I'm going to go wash my hair and probably take my face off and come back to you guys, and we're going to apply it. All right y'all, so I washed my hair. My hair is completely drenched. I rinsed all the color out and it got on my shirt, so make sure you wear a shirt you don't care about. It's also makeup in my shirt, so I'm just looking toe up right now. So we're going to be trying this conditioner. It's pretty thick. Oh, hella thick. Okay, this is like somewhat coconut oil texture, but it don't melt on contact of your hand. Or shea butter. I'll just say shea butter. Oh goodness, I look terrible. Okay, once again, I don't think I'm gonna section my hair. I'm gonna just apply it as is. Oh wow. Thick. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm filming on my old iPhone 7, so sorry if the quality looks a little different. I hope it don't too much, at least, or at all, but yeah. I think I'm gonna go back to doing the rice water for my hair, because when I was doing that, when it first was a wave on YouTube, it was actually helping. I actually seen little to no, well not no, but actually seen little shedding. Like it was very little shedding when I was using rice water, but now my hair is just going through something, because all this shedding don't make no sense, none whatsoever. I think I may start doing the rice water again, because I can't have this. This is not normal shedding for me. Okay, my hair is taking this product very well. Okay, you guys, I wet my hair a little bit because this is a very thick product. And I did section my hair off because I feel like with products this thick, your hair needs to be separated. My thoughts so far on this conditioner is I would not detangle with a tangle teaser. At first, starting off, I would use your fingers or a wide tooth comb and then work your way up to the tangle teaser. So far, it is a thick product. I used about this much. That's how much I did end up using. I could probably get about 3 more uses out of that jar itself, but so far so good. It feels nice. I'm gonna apply a plastic bag over my hair and let this really seep. Look how much hair I'm losing, y'all. This don't make no sense. I never lost this much hair before, especially on a wash day. While this is sitting in my hair, I'm going to go make my rice water and cook dinner. And then I'm gonna come back and rinse this out and let you guys know my final thought. Plus the hair that went down the drain. It was a good bit of hair that went down the drain. It's like every time I touch my hair, I'm losing hair. I did slow down on my Ayurveda, so that was kind of helping, but I kind of got lazy over these couple of weeks because this is unacceptable. So I'll be back. Alrighty, you guys, it's the next day and I've already rinsed my hair out like maybe an hour or two after I had the conditioner in. We're just going to ignore the background, by the way. I'm washing all my bathroom stuff, so that includes the shower curtain. So yeah, we're just going to ignore that. But anyway, my hair felt really moisturized, really strong. That conditioner did an amazing job for my hair. I feel like my hair needed that protein treatment. I used to do protein treatments once a week, actually, back in the day when I first went natural, but over the years I got a little bit lazy bone going my body with my hair. Yeah, my hair feels pretty good. We're not going to take this off and embarrass myself just yet for this video. I highly recommend that deep conditioner if you're high porosity. If you're low porosity, you can use it too. Y'all need protein treatment to get the balance, moisture protein balance. You need it, you know. Some just need the other more than the other with their hair texture. I actually need both because my hair stay dry. But anyway, that's the end of today's video, you guys. Thank you for coming back to this channel and thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate it more if you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for related content. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.